And to anybody who fucking doubted me, to me who doubted myself, remember this right now! Remember these words! Look at it! Look at it on your screen! Remember this now! I am the fucking god! Man, oh man. This level is fucking awesome. There's no other way to put it. This level is fucking incredible. It's so fucking fun. It's very hard. But it's very fun. It's a very great level. I had a good time with it, for the most part. That's my second extreme. I will not go harder than this for a long time. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Bye, everybody.